Concept to consumer is two daunting challenges: design and manufacturing of the product, and then growth of revenue, market share, and profitability of the business model. Concept to consumer means bringing innovation and creativity to life with fast, accurate, and validated CAD designs, and addressing the expected epic experience that surrounds great products and iconic brands. In the preceding case study, you saw the Solidworks team accomplish a wide variety of design, documentation, validation, and innovation tasks. We saw top-down and in-context modeling with Solidworks that brought the URB-E Sport to life. We saw kinematic simulation that proved out our gut feel on stability. Todd showed us how fast sheet metal design can be starting with just a block. And Jordan took us through a surface modeling workflow that enhanced the iconic URB-E style. Sashi showed us a plastic part design that was manufacturable and met all the performance and process specs the first time. We validated the output of Solidworks CAM by documenting the first article inspection results and even exploring drawingless workflows. Mike made stunning deliverables that allowed us to sell our ideas internally and externally, and made a huge splash at shows like CES. Sashi's advanced vibration simulation gave us confidence to explore new offerings, and who can forget Jordan's electromechanical collaboration that leveraged the power of the crowd and seized the trend of smart devices. Great design isn't just about deliverables, it's about the customer experience both before and after purchase. With Solidworks Manage, we ensured we met all our project requirements and tracked scheduling and resources as we did it. We used PDM to keep our files safe and shared properly. Thank you to URB-E for being a part of the Solidworks community from the beginning. In fact, they began by leveraging the Solidworks Entrepreneur Program, which gives early-stage startups access to the comprehensive Solidworks toolset to partner with them in bringing great ideas to life every day. It took URB-E 6 months to go from concept to consumer with their URB-E Sport. So what's next for URB-E? Well, they are beginning their 4th year in business. What started off as an idea and a prototype has become a global phenomenon with over 5,000 URB-Es delivered to customers in over 46 countries. Each URB-E continues to be hand-built by the team in Pasadena, ensuring high quality on every vehicle that leaves the facilities. In the last 18 months, they have expanded their core product line to include the GT and the GT Pro, which feature expanded range, speed, sport controls, and larger pneumatic tires. If you're interested, I would highly recommend following URB-E on social media to see where they go from here. Now, what's next for you? Imagine if you gave your team the freedom and the tools to explore their best creative ideas. What could they accomplish? Being a professional user of Solidworks means knowing the depth and the breadth of the entire engineering toolkit. It's about being able to drive change towards efficient development process, fast concept evaluation, drawingless manufacturing deliverables, stunning media and consumables, online marketplaces, and seamless process and project management. It's all about knowing how to maximize the value of your CAD work and your tools to truly change how the world sees your ideas.